Welcome to the Celtic Llama. Today I will be showing you how to do the magic circle crochet stitch. You'll end up finding this a lot in amigurumi patterns or anytime you need to do work in the round. So let's go ahead and get started. You want to loop the yarn around your finger and pull through. I'll give you a nice little slip stitch. So you want to chain one and then turning your work slightly, you want to go into that same loop that you started with, and you want to double crochet 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And what I like to do when I get to my last 2 stitches is you can kind of see where your tail's at. I like to pivot the work and come in around it. So we'll do our last 2 stitches, and then you'll end up seeing your tail like so, and you could just give it a good pull and it closes that magic circle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So to increase it, you want to do 2 double crochets in each stitch. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What I like to do as well is when you get to the last 2 stitches that you're going to be putting your 2 double crochets into each, I take this tail, insert your hook, take your tail and just kind of yarn over just a little bit with it and do your 2 double crochets, and this will actually end up holding that tail in place, which will keep your work closed. And there you go. That's how you end up doing a magic circle double crochet. Now also when you get to the end, you can either continue in the round like I was doing, or you insert your hook and do a slip stitch. So then instead of having a continuous spiral like this one, you end up having rows in the round. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and feel free to hit that button and subscribe. Have a happy crochet day!